A wok is a versatile cooking tool that may be used for stir-frying, steaming, stewing, frying, and other techniques. The multi-purpose gadget can be used to its full potential. Despite its reputation for stir-frying, the pan is also ideal for skillet cooking. In truth, it may be a game changer when it comes to your crispy fried foods. When compared to other pans or pots, using a wok for deep frying allows you to conserve oil and prepare more meals in fewer batches. The wok isn't just for deep frying, but it's also often the best alternative. They might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think it's time to fry, but that's why we're here. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 6 on our list, we have the Helix Asian Kitchen 97004 Wok, Carbon Steel and Bamboo. Helix Asian Kitchen 143 Carbon Steel Wok is a standard wok that's created with the cooperation of Helix. It's made of 1.8mm durable carbon steel, enables rapid heat up and cool, which is the heart of Chinese cooking. While it consists of heavy-gauge carbon steel, it's light in weight, allows for ease in handling. The wok has a durable oak handle and helper handle for simple maneuvering. You ought to season the wok before using it. It ensures a perfect surface for frying, searing, also prevents potential rusting. For cleansing a wok, you have to soak wok in hot water for 5 or more minutes. It can help to loosen the dirt and tacky food residue, which eases cleaning. Subsequently, clean inside with a warm sponge and water, and out with warm water and a scrubber sponge. Dry it completely on low heat before keeping it. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 5 on our list, we have the Pro Logic Wok with flat base and loop handles. The Logic cast iron wok is a thick pan made from 100% cast iron, together with just 2 help loop handles. In regards to pre-seasoned, so it's simple to use and keep. But it weighs a great deal as a result of the material it is made from, which might be too awkward for several cooks. With its modern design, curved lines, and legendary cooking performance, the Logic 143 cast iron wok is an oversized boat that's the best size for cooking ample quantities of your favorite stir-fry recipes. The cast iron properties of the wok provide superior heat retention and permit for heat throughout, ensuring that your food is properly cooked. Designed with 2 help loop handles that provide a safe, secure grip. The distinctive flat bottom lets you use an electrical or gas stove with no ring to maintain the wok stable, since it transports the heat rapidly in the burner into the wok. Should you want to deep fry, this wok will run circles around most any cookware and needs less oil. At number 4 on our list, we have the Home and Kitchenware Collection Ceramic Marble Wok Pan. Infinity Collection Frying Wok by Tekaf positions as the best rock burner. It's an elegant and fashionable skillet, which makes it the ideal stone burner using its fresh Teflon stone. The deep frying wok includes a rock coating of ceramic particles, i.e. Teflon Infinity coatings, which rewards the wok, together with combined resistance of minerals and Teflon stone, which makes this the toughest resistant skillet. Teflon stone-coated skillet is announced as the most secure by global regulatory authorities for cooking meals in basic kitchen use. The skillet is made induction ready and comprises heavy-gauge aluminum construction, along with a good foundation. At number 3 on our list, we have the Cook & Home 2596 Non-Stick Stir-Fry Pan. Made from thick-gauge aluminum that offers even quick heat conduction and prevents hot spots. Non-stick makes food release, cleaning, switching, and pitching simple and enables healthy cooking. Riveted handle with hole for hanging is comfy to hold, remains cool, and non-refundable. Large capability. Works on inductions, electrical, ceramic, glass, halogen, etc. Not dishwasher secure, dishwasher safe. Steps: 3.5 inches height, 20 in span, and 2.75 pounds. Wide, narrow and top foundation for several applications. At number 2 on our list, We have the Quart 6.5 quart non-stick sauté pan with helper handle, deep frying pan with cover. The non-stick interior is constructed from cast aluminum, which will be stronger and sturdy. Super simple to wash up. The backlight handle is comfortable to grip and keep cool while cooking. Convenient for all stove, including induction, heat quickly and evenly. The toaster is safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally at number 1 on our list. We have the Michelangelo 5-quart non-stick woks and stir-fry pans with lid. Michelangelo 5-quart non-stick wok is multi-purpose as possible perform some kind of cooking with this wok. It is possible to carrot, roast, boil, steam, bake, and far more recipes using this wok. It includes a quality ceramic and titanium inside that's ultra non-stick and scratch resistant. This guarantees the durability and extended life of life-threatening. In general, versatility and high quality of wok allow you to improve your cooking functionality and cook just like a pro. Its professional-grade aluminum metal helps for much and fast heating. The material used for building is toxic-free that is just ideal for healthier cooking. Even though it's dishwasher safe, hand wash is suggested. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.